Hello, I'm Nastya.
And I'm Vika.
Subscribe to Afro Rossiya TV Russia. Subscribe.
Hello guys, welcome back to Afro Rossiya TV. Today I'm attending an event organized by my university for foreign students. I'm basically going to interview them and ask them about life in Russia and their experiences living in Russia. So come with me, let's find out what foreign students think about living in Russia. Pardonali.
My name is Vitke and I'm from Germany. I chose Russia because I'm studying in Germany Russian language and I want to improve my Russian and learn more about the culture and that's the reason why I'm here in Saint Petersburg. I was really curious about this country and just having some new experiences, and I didn't expect it that Russia is so nice. The people are so friendly here and I'm just happy that I came here. The Russian nights, when you're in the city and it's dark outside, it's night and you see all the light bulbs in the buildings, they are huge and beautiful and it's lovely architecture, the best city I've ever been to.
It's a beautiful country, and the history of Russia is connected to Germany, and we have a lot of ties. And I wanted to experience this country, and
the alcohol is really changing, like really changing. So
I'm from Italy, and there is Italianski Rizza.
In this mysterious culture, I've been hearing a lot about this country and I wanted to discover myself. And of course I would like to improve my Russian, so yeah, I choose the cultural capital of Russia, Saint Petersburg. What I like the most about Russia is that the architecture and the culture here has nothing to do with the European culture. And it's really impressive to see museums like the Hermitage and to see all these colorful buildings that look like gingerbreads. So this is what I like the most here, the colors and the architecture.
I chose Russia because Russia has a unique culture, like some kind of mixture, and so far I also had difficulties, but it was nice. Like that's it.
Yeah, so far, what I like the most in Russia is the general atmosphere, especially in the city. Saint Petersburg is a beautiful city, with a great atmosphere, a lot of lights in the night. It's really beautiful. And I had the opportunity also to meet a lot of students, so it's great.
So the most thing that I'm most grateful from Russian people is that they trust much more each other than in Spain. You can leave your jacket or your bag somewhere and no one is going to take it. And yeah, I really like this trust.
What about you?
For me, what I like the most about Russia for now is that so when people get to know each other more, they are really deep, like the relationships are really deep and I really like this.
My name is Alfredo, I'm from New York City. I've already spent 1 year here studying in Russia and so far it's been completely amazing. Got to meet a lot of really awesome people and see a lot of really cool things happening. This is my friend Nastya. We study together in the same grade.
And finally, Tochi recorded me in the video.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to have her here. She saved me in math class many times over.
My son.
Studying in Russia versus America is definitely a different experience. It's a lot more bureaucratic here. One of my favorite parts is all the teamwork final exams. We actually have a lot more students that will work with you for the exams. They always help you out. It's not as much the university stepping in, but really peer-to-peer, stepping up, making events. There's a lot of self-run study groups, self-run events. It's honestly one of my favorite parts about studying here. One of the best parts about Saint Petersburg is that you're walking through history as you go. There's so many sites that they don't have the same tourist sites that Europe does. They're not, I don't know, it seems they're commonplace when you go to Europe. It's too now. When you go here, you turn a corner, you find a new cathedral. You turn a corner, you see the Hermitage. It's like we're really much more part of the city. It's not just a historic history, but the entire environment.
Alfredo, click the button below and subscribe to Afro Rossiya TV.
My name is Lino, without Stitch, and please sign up to the channel afrorossiya.com.
Afro Rossiya TV.